What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here. Today we are back with more tech, more reviews. This time we're going to be looking at some AirPod cases that I just got in from the company Kmminx. So let's check them out. I've had these for a little while now, and this first case, this is the Boxfort right here. This is a waterproof, drop-proof case. It's actually a double layered case. Now I want you to see the double layers. You got the outside layer and then that actual inside layer. Then you drop it in there. It's going to be sealed on the bottom right here. No water is going to get in there. And then you snap it shut around the top, and then you get a complete waterproof casing right there. Now these are Airpods Generation 2. So since there's no hole in here so you can visually see, you're going to just pick this up, wireless charger. You're going to drop it on. Light comes on, that means we do have a wireless charge. Take it up, light should disappear, drop it back on. We do have wireless charge. So wireless charge is a go on the waterproof and the drop proof case. And it actually comes with this clamp. Clamp seems really sturdy. I've had no issues out of this clip. You put it on your side, you wear it, you drop it. Doesn't hurt your AirPods. Remember, drop proof, waterproof as well. So the next case we're going to look at, and quite possibly one of my favorite, and I'll show you the reason in just a moment, but it's basically just a black silicone shell. Now it's not waterproof and it is not really drop proof. Like, it's just a silicone shell, something that you're going to use for aesthetics. It has a flap down bottom where you can actually charge and use your charger. Has a spot for a clip on the side, and you still have your buttons on the back. But my favorite feature about this case is your AirPods can stand. Now you won't know if you're getting the charging, which I'm sure it will charge, but you will not know for sure if you're getting that charge. Only way it's going to tell you is if you look at my charger right here. If I lay it down, blue light still comes on. So wireless charge is still a go because my light lit up, letting me know that it is charging. This one comes with its own little case, and in this case you get a bunch of little goodies. So you get some little ear tips. People complain about AirPods not fitting their ears. You get some little tips. You actually get a lanyard that you can hook on to the pods themselves. You basically just take them out, drop them in, and that's it. That's how they're going to work. You get this clip for the actual case itself if you don't want to use the little clasp that's provided. And you get a little cleaner so you can actually clean your AirPods, because everyone knows that AirPods get wax in them. And then that is it. So you have the protective case. You'll be able to carry all of your devices, everything in there, your accessories, as well as your AirPod case. And you have your clip right here, and you are good to go. So if you like this product, I'm going to leave a link below so you can check them out for yourself. Remember, they also have AirPods Pro device cases, so go by and check those out as well. I'll drop links below to all these things. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up, and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.